Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For those who are new here, I'm Ellie and you're watching Philippine Beauty. For today's video guys, I know that it has been a while and I have someone like disappeared. But don't you worry guys, because I am back for the 2024. And this year, I'm going to start off, the first video that I'm going to post is about me coming back here in Iligan after the holidays and how I prepare before I start my second semester. This video will be watching me traveling from Cagayan to Iligan and also doing some groceries, doing some cleaning, you know, the usual things that a normal college student would do that is not living in her own city or is doing adulting. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is the first meal of the day because I didn't get to eat breakfast before I went out. As you can see, there are still a few vacant spots because we will pass by the next bus terminal later, and right now we are leaving the Bulwa bus terminal. After eating such a very sweet breakfast, I decided to drink some water, and guys, stay hydrated, drink your water. And when you ride on the bus, they will give you this ticket, which means you have paid for the fare. Pro tip, you guys, if you ride the bus, do not ride from the very end because it's going to be very bumpy. We're almost there. This is what my view is, and I'm very thankful that it's not very traffic. We have snacks. This is fish cracker. Finally here. We are going down. This is the things that we need to bring. My goodness. I have so many things to bring, guys. I have one sling bag, a backpack, a gym bag, my water bottle. And guess what? Another big bag. So this is how the Iligan bus terminal looks like. This right here is the Super 5 bus, and this right here is where you'll find the rural bus. And right now I'm waiting for my Suki rider to come pick me up. We're riding a motor. So this is where I'm studying in Mindanao State University Iligan Institute of Technology, or MSU-IIT, and this is our campus. We're home, guys. This is how it looks. All of the things that I brought. My bed, my closet, my other things, my laundry. I still need to do laundry. And I will be cleaning up later. See, everything is a bit of a mess right now, but we will be cleaning that. Okay, I'll be back. I'll buy the supplies. Let's go to Gaisano. This is the fit for today. Ta-da! So cute. Let's go! We are going to Gaisano Mall. But this is the smaller and older version. We're in Iligan. There's a bigger version on the other side. There are fruit stands outside. Buy some of this. Kaning twin. Nee. Ayo ani. It's very small. Hey, it's so small. This is what we got. The hot dog, the leafy veggies, some more small hot dogs for balon or for lunch, and then we have these types of some broccoli and cauliflower. Looking for soap for the dishes, soap for the clothing. We're finally home, and this is what we got from Gaisano. This is like 1,000 pesos from the market. 8, 9. So I bought 1 kilo of shrimp and divided it into 6 parts so that whenever I want to cook shrimp, I would only defrost a serving that would be enough just for me. 13, I also did the same for the chicken because every time I cook, I don't really want to cook too much. Use that. Sutanghan. You can use this to cook soup, tissue, coffee, chocolate milk. This for cooking, breading, and then some pancit, instant noodles, some seasoning, more canned goods. Like this is a beef loaf. This is the original flavor tuna. This is the spicy one. Evaporated milk to your coffee, and then it will taste type of condensed milk. This is much more expensive. This is an reconstituted evaporated full cream milk. This is my favorite since I was a little girl. My grandfather used to make Milo, the chocolate milk. This, and then add this, and then it tastes like. Or you can just add water and sugar to this. It tastes so good. We have these for the plates, washing the plates, and some small alcohol to put in our bags. Carry it everywhere, and some more sponge. This already has a sponge like this. Oops, okay. Wait, it's stuck, but essentially it's there. Like this is the sponge. So it has a sponge, but I want a more like rough surface to get off the things that are sticking onto your utensils. So I got this as well. And then we also have some egg, but unfortunately one egg passed away and did not survive the travel over here. One little egg passed away, guys. That was 10 pesos. So just stay there and watch me get busy. I decided to organize the refrigerator first because that was the easiest task. So this is what I'm going to use. This is a mixture of alcohol, some fabric conditioner, and some water. I added some water and some hand soap in this, like some antibacterial hand soap, something like that. So I added here. This is my trusty wipes, and I will use this as well over there because that looks like a mess. So let's go. Here in the video, it might not look like it's too much or it's too dirty, but in reality, as I was cleaning it, seriously, there was so much dust and there was so much things to clean. In the ending of my first semester in the university, I had such little time to even do the basic stuff like even cleaning up a lot of my things, like organizing my clothes. I was so busy trying to catch up with all the requirements and the upcoming holidays. I got hungry from all the cleaning and traveling, so I'm going to make lunch. I'm first adding the oil, and then I'll add the ahos, which is the garlic, and then the sibuyas, which is the onion, and then I added the shrimp, and then I added water, and also the veggies, and done shrimp soup. It's hot. Now that I'm recharged, I went back to work. You might be wondering why I placed all my clothes here. That's because they couldn't really fit in my cabinet. Guys, I don't really know what's causing this yellow thing on the wall, but I first used the mop and then changed to a wipe and then changed to a brush, and then finally it was all gone. So that's it, guys. After 4 hours of cleaning up and arranging a lot of stuff, I have finally have new sheets, new bed sheets, and new pillow sheets. Everything is new. The electric fan is clean as well. Everything is tidied up. It's all looking arranged in a way. And then also here is my computer. I can't really hide this, so I just put it on top of that. See, this is for dinner. I'm going to put some ice in here so that I will have a fresh cold water. And then everything is clean. We cleaned off the cobwebs and everything that was lying all around the floor and all the walls. Look, we have all the meat down here, and then we have all the ice up here, which I am going to use for later for my water. Yes, I do create ice, a lot of ice, because it's really hot here in Iligan, so I tend to drink cold water because it's really refreshing. So I also have cleaned the lower part. I also refilled some water down here so that I would always have access to cold water. And then we have this, we have cleaned this up. This is from my Miss Iligan and my Miss Medina adventures, journeys, all the awardings. And I know it doesn't look great. I need to still arrange that, but I'm already happy with all the results that I've been doing. So this is my pantry, basically the things that we will be eating in the next few more days and weeks probably. And then this right here in the middle is the things that I still need to clean up and to wash later. See you tomorrow, and that is for today. And I'm going to wash up, clean myself, because I'm feeling a little dusty from all the cleaning. I felt like all the dust came to me, transferred to me. That's why I should go shower and clean up, and I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll get some rest, and bye-bye. Okay, so this is the tomorrow from yesterday's event, and I did not wake up very early because, as I've said, I have been cleaning for hours and it was really tiring, so I did not wake up early. But I will be doing the laundry later in the evening, I guess, because I have to go to school today and to also follow up upon the things that I need to do. We're finally here in the laundry shop, and we're going to get our bed sheets and also clothings all washed up so that whenever the classes will start, I don't really have to think about this, having to worry about unwashed sheets. I know that I would have saved more if I washed my clothes manually, but weighing out all the pros and cons, I realized that time and my effort is also very important because I could be more productive in doing other stuff if I would do my laundry this way. I know that it's different for everybody, but this certain method is really helpful for me. And that was it, you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I did. I know that it was quite a lot of work, but I really did enjoy cleaning and also getting everything so arranged and organized. It has this very fulfilling feeling every time that I finish a task. Then I would feel very good about myself because I've done something that is productive. So that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here and sharing your time with me. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to leave your comments down below because I will be reading them all, and I'll make sure to write back to you or to make a response for you. So bye! Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day!